Alright, as I continue to put together my 1860s parson or preacher costume, I have ordered a reproduction of a Victorian sack suit. This isn't as rough or coarse as I would like it to be, because with today's standards, everything can easily be made very smooth and fine. But for the era, I'd rather it look coarser. However, it is still wool, and it does have satin lapels. So it's what I was basically looking for. Now, don't use priority mail boxes. These are always more expensive than going with standard. You should just use Pirate Shipping, a free-to-use site. Obviously, you have to have your card details on it to buy the shipping labels. But you'll get it like 50% off the retail price, and it almost never goes via priority. Well, I suppose it could be wool. Nice satin lapels. It's not quite the right wool I'm looking for. I'm looking more for felted wool, but let's see what it looks like. So this will come down almost to my knees, maybe. Okay, is this... Nope. So you see how the stitching goes here. And it's not open. It's not really meant to be a pocket. It's mostly just decoration. So this is definitely a cheaper piece. Honestly, it doesn't feel like it's brand new. This almost seems like what I'd expect for the earlier 2000s. No material tag. Interesting. There's gotta be one somewhere. At least it has a real inside pocket. Oh, here we go. A little bit big for me. I'm more like a 36 to 38, but that's also part of that Victorian look. It does say wool. It's just this wool is too fine. It needs a more of a felted look to it. Apparently it comes pre-haired. What do we have in here? I guess at least it has the satin lapels, because I like nuanced things, I like textures, I like color differences and variations in objects. So, certainly comes dirty. As soon as I pull it out of the box, I notice there's a whole bunch of stuff on it. Not the best way to apply the buttons. Hopefully they don't fall off. At least they look to be satin as well, because that's something I won't actually have to change. Overall, for like 25 bucks shipped, I'm not disappointed. It's not going to be fully authentic. However, these satin lapels will complement my silk top hat, the silk string tie that I'm going to be doing, and it should look sharp with the black wool vest that I'm having custom made for a Civil War civilian role, plus my linen shirt that I'll be wearing, which will have bone buttons because I'm replacing the current buttons on it as some are missing.